Let me show you something today about the newly introduced Recycle bin from Salesforce for Marketing Cloud Engagement. If you're working with custom external keys, this might create a bit of a headache for you. As you can see, I have a data extension with an external key called myTest. If I try to create another data extension with the same external key, I will get an error saying that this needs to be unique. However, if I delete this item into the recycle bin, I can now create a new data extension with the same external key. This may be intended, but I'll show you where the problem is. First of all, the external key will be completely ignored when I'm creating it. I can also not update the external key in here anymore as previously to any key for that matter. If I refresh this site, it still stays the same external key as before. I can change it to anything I want, it doesn't work. However, if I go still to Email Studio, I see my data extension here. And if I change the external key in here, it does in fact work. So now my external key is exactly the same external key as my item in the recycle bin. So any script like SHAS script who uses an external key to identify this data extension, internal or external, will now refer to this data extension rather than the one in the recycle bin. If I now go back here into Contact Builder, it also tells me the right external key as I change it. So what happened now with my item in the recycle bin if I want to restore it? If I now restore that, what happened with that? Well, it says it's successfully restored, but it's completely gone. It's not there anymore. The entire data extension is completely gone. You will not find it anywhere anymore. I can't retrieve it from the system. So keep in mind, if you're working with external keys, you may find yourself in a situation where these items end up in recycle bin. And if you reassign the external key again, you will have trouble to get these data extensions back. How do you also get data extension into the recycle bin? With WS Proxy. Delete item in WS Proxy does not delete the item anymore. It deleted it into the recycle bin. I hope that information was helpful. See you next time.